Hey guys, since many of you asked for it, here's an English tutorial for the AutoDrive mod. Okay, let's start by opening up a mod map so you can see how to create completely new ways for your mod. Okay, let's wait until it's loaded up. Okay, here you go. Okay, just a quick explanation over the HUD symbols. Here, the first one is to switch AutoDrive on and off. These arrows are for switching between destinations. This is obviously the recording buttons. This button switches between silo mode, which is a mode where the tractor drives up and down a path that is given. He will reverse, so drive backwards from finish to the end. This is just the mode for compressing your silos. Usually you want this to be in the target mode, that way the tractor will just go to your destinations. These buttons here are to set the speed the tractor is supposed to go. And now we go to the interesting part. It's the ones up here are the ones you can use to create new ways in your map. Okay, let's start by opening up the debug mode. You always want to have this debug mode enabled if you are recording waypoints that should be stored permanently. Okay, let's start. Just so, debug mode enabled, start recording. Let's just record a small little way here. Okay, we're going around the silos here once. Just real quick. Okay, now we want to stop in front of the last endpoint, stop recording, and now to the other buttons here. So this one switches between, toggles between, showing this line to the next point, to the next waypoint to the tractor. Okay, now this is always the one you want to edit. This one here shows the next neighbor of this node. And with this button you can switch through these neighbor points. Now this is already correctly selected, and now this button here is to enable a connection between them, so you can also toggle it and disable the connection if you made some mistakes. Okay, so now that we have a connection, we can... okay, sorry, wrong button. Let's say we want to have this point here as a destination that you can always reach with your tractor. Then we can use this button to create a marker. Let's say it's the farm here. Okay, press enter, and now you can recalculate the ways with these this reload button. Now the ways are calculated, and as you can see now, you can switch with these arrows to this destination farm, enable AutoDrive, and now AutoDrive will follow this way to the waypoint destination of the farm. Okay, let's just see that till the end, and then I'll show you how to improve this network, or make it a network. Okay, so now the driver has arrived. Now let's see. Let's say we want to that the tractor can autonomously drive to the unload trigger here on your farm. Okay, debug mode is still enabled. We press record, and now we start recording away from here. So let's just pull that way over the trigger here, stop some way behind it so that the trailer will be at the right position. I think that should be fine. Then again, make sure that you have this toggled and enabled so you can create a marker again. Let's call this silo trigger, and again press enter. Okay, now we want this way to connect to the rest of the breakpoints, going in the circle, and now we can connect it over here. Okay, so stop right in front of this. Stop recording, and then again select your closest waypoint here, select a neighbor point and switch to the right one and create a connection. Okay, almost done. We also want this over here. So this point is selected, then again to the neighbor points, select the right one, and create a connection. Very easy, very simple. Okay, let's join these points. Then again recalculate the ways, the routes. Okay, they are calculated very fast if you only have those few waypoints. It's only a problem on the Goldcrest map because I already recorded about 6,000 waypoints, and the calculation takes a lot longer there. But if you're here on your mod maps, you can make this really fast. Okay, so let's say silo trigger, start driving, and as you can see, we did not record a waypoint from where we started, but we connected it to this network, and now the tractor knows where to go. AutoDrive. Okay, then again, also from here, you can now go to the farm. Although you did not directly have to make this way. Okay. Okay, this mod is also multiplayer ready right now, but you cannot record waypoints in your multiplayer game. This has to be done in single player, and then you have to copy the AutoDrive config data, which is in the save game folder, to your server if you want to use it on your multiplayer server. Alright, I hope that explains a little about AutoDrive and answers a few of your questions. I forgot one button. Sorry, stepped out of the game. Okay, back in the game. One button here, which is delete the waypoints. Okay, once again, if you have one of those points here selected, you can delete it. But obviously we do not want to delete this point, but now we have it. And if we now recalculate the ways and try to go to the farm from here, then you have here AutoDrive has a problem initializing, and it won't find a way. Obviously we can again record a waypoint over here, recording right away, create a connection again, here, over here, but that's not what we usually want to do, but you can correct your errors if you really want to do it like that, or you can just press Alt F4 so it won't be saved. Okay, so now again recalculate, go to the farm, and now it's enabled again. Working again. Okay, that's all I want to show you for now. And yeah, have fun using my mod, and if there are any bugs or questions, just please let me know. So, have fun, goodbye.